You think you know the world? These 20 facts are so wild. They'll change the way you see reality. Especially number 20. 1. Sharks can actually glow in the dark. Lantern sharks use bioluminescence to survive deep underwater. Yes, glowing predators are real. 2. Your body has more atoms than stars in the entire universe. You're literally more complex than the cosmos itself. You are stardust. 3. The longest hiccup ever recorded lasted 68 years. Imagine growing old while hiccuping every single day. That man lived through it. 4. Some mushrooms control insects' brains. They turn them into zombies before killing them. It's a real-life horror movie in nature. 5. Space smells like burnt steak. Astronauts reported the scent after spacewalks. The universe has its own strange aroma. 6. Every cat has a unique nose print, just like human fingerprints. No two cat noses are the same. Nature gave them ID cards. 7. Jellyfish can technically live forever. They revert to younger forms instead of dying. They're nature's immortals. 8. The first oranges weren't orange, they were green. Even today, many oranges stay green in tropical climates. Color fooled us. 9. There are more plastic flamingos on Earth than real ones. Fake birds outnumbered nature itself. Welcome to the plastic age. 10. The microwave was discovered by accident. A chocolate bar melted in an engineer's pocket near radar. That snack changed history. 11. A blue whale's heart is the size of a small car. A person could literally crawl through its arteries. That's the biggest heartbeat on Earth. 12. If stretched out, your veins could circle Earth more than twice. That's over 100,000 kilometers inside your body. You are a living roadmap. 13. The tiny Irukandji jellyfish can kill a human. It's smaller than your pinky nail, but extremely deadly. Danger hides in small things. 14. The moon drifts away from Earth by almost 4 centimeters each year. One day, solar eclipses will vanish forever. Our sky is changing. 15. Some ants are farmers. They grow fungus underground to feed their colonies. Civilization isn't just for humans. 16. Your tongue print is unique, just like your fingerprint. No one else has the same tongue as you. It's your hidden ID. 17. Slugs can survive decapitation. Their heads crawl around while new bodies regrow. It's nightmare fuel from real biology. 18. A day on Mercury lasts longer than a year on Mercury. The slow rotation flips time upside down. Imagine living there. 19. Peanuts aren't nuts. They're legumes like beans. Your favorite snack has been lying to you. 20. Your body replaces almost all of its atoms every year. You're not the same person you were last year. Change is built into life. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Comment below, smash that subscribe button, and get ready for even crazier stickman facts.